Hi, this is Garrett from Barangay, and we have part 2 of our dry bones building set. And I built this all by myself. Here's the launcher, and here's the dry bones. First, I'll start off with the meat face. It's already on here, so we're not going to get the legs. So here is dry bones. He has yellow pupil, and he's dead. The most thing about dry bones, he's a dead turtle, but he's a skeleton. No, looks more like a turtle. And he has, usually he does weird stuff. He does not talk. Here he has a gray shell and a little light right here. He has blue feet. Fire Mario. It's white hands with feet, stripes, little buttons, and it says Mario. Let's get off the final finale. First, we're going to start off with this launcher. And this is how you put this on. Do not do this. You might fall. Pull this back. And it got and launch. Thank you for watching part 2 of my dry bone building set, and please subscribe.